Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will tell you how to adjust screen brightness on Samsung S25. Let's begin! In order to adjust screen brightness, all we need to do is expand the control center, not the notification center but control center. And you see the little bar here? All you need to do is simply increase it in order to bump up the brightness. We also have a nice warning to turn on adaptive brightness. We want to do that now, and we can always just bump it down if you want to. And now you can probably see nothing. So do I barely see anything actually. Wow, it's really dark. But yeah, you can do that. Okay, honestly, I'm going to do this because I barely see anything. Okay, the bar is like right here, so we can do this and this. This is how dark your phone can be. Amazing, incredible, bravo. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.